Hello, I am Dr. Kiran Rupnikar. You are watching me live on Sifi.com.
Doctor, what is your view as an expert on the current obesity rates?
Obesity rates in urban India, if you see, is 7 to 8%, whereas the people in India, urban India, who are overweight, they are in the category of like 15 to 20%.
What different methods are available to tackle obesity in today's times?
As per medical science, the treatment of obesity is only in 5 stages. One is dietary modification, second is physical exercises, third is behavior modification so as to follow the diet modification and the physical exercises and the lifestyle modification. Fourth is the medicines, of course the allopathic medicines which are there in the market right now, which has to be necessarily been prescribed by a medical doctor. And then fifth one is the surgical intervention, that is bariatric surgeries.
What is the rational treatment that a person should think of when he or she wants to lose weight?
As said in the earlier question, when we treat obesity, it has to be with dietary modification and physical exercise. When I say dietary modification, it has to be the calorie conscious diet, wherein we have to check the patient's requirement or the patient's caloric requirement, and accordingly we have to prescribe a diet for the person. When we have a calorie deficit, then yes, the person would lose his fat and eventually lose his weight. When physical exercise is concerned, walking is the only exercise which has been recommended for weight reduction or fat reduction per se. We don't require any physical activities right from gym or swimming or cycling or any other exercises for per se fat reduction.
Is obesity a hereditary problem?
Now friends, I would like to put it in this way. Obesity actually is not a genetic problem. You will find only 2 to 5% of the people who are obese just because their parents are obese. It's just because obesity you find people don't run. That's the reason obesity runs in the family. So I would say it is not that since because your parents are obese, you should be obese. You can start your lifestyle modification, your physical activities, your control on your diet, and see how you lose your weight and maintain and keep yourself thin.
Your takeaway diet tips for long-lasting weight reduction would be?
I would rather keep only 3 tips for you for today. Reduce your oil consumption. Say for example, for an adult person, a male or a female, you use only half a kg of oil for the entire month for entire cooking. Second would be sugar. You use 250 grams of sugar for the entire month for entire cooking. And the third thing is avoid all the frieds and the sweets which you can just for weight reduction.